Hello, welcome to the Pilates on Fifth video podcast. Today's exercise is spine twist. So to begin, you want to be sitting right on top of your sit bones. The sit bones are those two little bones that you feel if you were sitting on a bleacher or something, or hard seats. Those are the two bones that you feel poking into the bleachers. So if you can't sit right on your sit bones and you find yourself rolling back a little bit, you have two options. One would be a cushion, such as this one, but any cushion will do. And you just want to find the spot where you can get right on top of your sit bones and your pelvis is in a vertical position. If you don't have a cushion available, that's no problem. You can just sit cross-legged as such, because we're just working the obliques to rotate the spine. So Kimberly's going to go ahead and stretch her legs out, reach her arms out to the side, and here you don't want to be up into your shoulders. So lift your shoulders up to your ears. Yeah, we don't want that. So she's going to press her shoulders down, no tension in the upper trapezius muscles here. We're going to inhale to rotate, and we'll do little pulses. She'll do it once and then I'll explain a little bit more. So inhale, you rotate, rotate a little bit more, and rotate a little bit more, and then exhale back to center. And then inhale, rotate. So your image is like a barbershop pole. You're getting taller and taller. Of course, the abdominal muscles are staying pulled in tight, rib cage stays in. We don't want to do it like a wind-up doll, where you go back and you like wind up a little bit. She's just stopping, so she turns a little bit, pauses, turns a little bit more, and turns a little bit more, and then back to center. You can also, if you find yourself splaying in the rib cage, you can change the breath to an exhale if it helps keep the rib cage muscles engaged a little bit more, meaning the muscles around the rib cage. And rotate, rotate. So the feet pretty much should stay in line. At the very last range of motion, if your feet slip a little bit, that's just fine. We just don't want them to shift from the very beginning of the exercise. And you'll repeat both sides about 5 to 6 times. So that's the exercise for today. For more information about Pilates on Fifth or certification, log on to pilatesonfifth.com. Thank you.
Thank you.